about your first vegan food.
It's like don't show it to people. Okay? Don't show it to people.
Kim eats meat.
Yes, for fun actually, just to support. I'll go outside and have a burger.
Hey, watch out, look how many vegans are around you. And also make your statement about vegan food.
Yeah. Ну вообще, like, to be honest, whoever hasn't tried, don't fucking judge. Try first.
Yeah, don't be a protein freak.
Have fucking falafel, by the way. This is freaking looking.
I think it would be beautiful if you go stand over there and we take a picture of you.
Sounds great, bro.
Rooster, testicle, and inu soup. That's what Taylor ordered for her breakfast in Vietnam.
Yeah, totally. What are you eating, Gregor?
I don't believe this is rooster testicle. It's as big as its head.
What are you eating? Oh my god!
It's so hot.
I'll just be blowing on it. I'll heat.
So sperm. I'm eating sperm, right?
Sperm has to be manufactured first, no? And I think he doesn't have a chance to manufacture it anymore. Or is it just contained by default?
So hot, man.
Let's see it.
Фу, блядь, пиздец, нахуй. Фу, блядь.
How is it, Akim?
It looks like a sausage.
You ate Vietnamese balls just now.
Well, I don't want to eat more,
What the fuck? What happened here?
It's a testicle in the rooster egg.
You just had some chicken sperm.
I don't think it's sperm, I think it's potato, honestly. Sperm. Oh, ну ладно. Sperm is sperm.
And what's in there?
Testicles. Good for kidneys.
Dude, this is generally my size of a testicle. How can a fucking rooster have
Yes,
that?
it is. Mine is smaller than this actually.
Abnormal chicken we have right now. No, joke, I would not be surprised if it's dog testicle. From what animal? Is this dog or a rooster? That's the question. Chicken has this big balls, right?
Yeah,
No fucking way. Chicken.
Go. Announce it to the world.
I like to eat testicles because they're low in fat and high in vitamins.
You didn't hear the last part, you only heard the first part.
Young chicken eggs?
So it's not even full size, Greg. And
No? I'm trying to figure out how can a chicken have a testicle of that size? Yeah, I believe you. I think it's dog though.
If I get a chicken, like internet confirmed.
It's bigger than chicken's head. A bit complicated in Vietnam because they don't have coins, so all of it is paper. So you have like stacks like this all the fucking time. It's annoying. Well, if you do have money. If you don't have money at all, bro, I feel bad for you. This is 2,000. It's worth nothing. Just 3 baht. 50 baht. That's right. That's a lot of money.
Конкретные деньги, да?
Serious money, yeah. What's up? Strike, wait, hold on. How many currencies you own? Anything else?
That will be it.
One beer, 47,000, and then I can pay for a coffee. How much?
69,000, more expensive than beer. Who does that?
Coffee is more expensive than beer, and his coffee was sweet. If you make sweet coffee, don't even bother serving it. What are you gonna do now, Akim?
Hit the tobacco so that I'll never ever want to smoke in my life. I'm sure it's gonna knock me out, spoil my lungs, break my throat, finish my esophagus, and ruin my diaphragm. So I guess this will be the last time I can consider tobacco.
But then also you'll be saved with beer, correct? You'll get saved with beer.
Oh no, this one.
It's free? Really?
Thank you.
This one.
whoa.
Smell it.
Smells like tobacco.
Is there a special technique you can teach us?
Yeah, sure.
Right here, follow.
So you take a little bit,
Uh-huh.
you make, yeah, like this. Then you make it like a ball.
Ball,
Small
okay.
ball, right? There's a hole. We put it inside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then you, at first you have to like warm up.
Yes.
So make it like more dry.
Aha, okay.
And you just put it like this for a few seconds.
Mm-hmm.
You make it flat. Like this. And then you smoke it.
Нихуя себе. Yeah, I don't know if I can take this much. It's a powerful hit.
It's okay. You've done bong hits before.
I see.
Oh. I gotta try this.
That one would be. Can you? Yeah, this is really good.
Yeah.
No accent even, you know?
Well, I was born in Russia and then I came to Ukraine.
Oh.
We've seen people smoke this and pass out.
Am I gonna pass out or?
It depends on your body. If it's your first time, you can handle it, then it's okay. Okay, and then speed it up.
Look at Paul.
How's it going?
It's not so bad. But I think I took a small hit like a girl, yeah?
Не, ну если, ну ты просто неправильно куришь.
Да.
Надо немножко подержать, потом подержать.
Ау. Понял тебя.
Ну, это как сигареты куришь.
А, типа.
That's crazy. Like, you're so fluent. Like, I don't speak as well as you do.
You grew up in
Speak
Russia.
Russian?
Like, but not like you. Like, I can understand mostly. I can read and like write, but like not fluent like this. Speaking and like talking back is like.
Блогер.
Ну он типа.
Просто путешествует.
Путешествуем, прикалываемся, да.
Почему бы и нет?
Так и есть.
No, to be honest, like the guy said, I fucked it up. I should have been more manly about it, which I think I should do next time.
Hold a bit more, yeah?
No, like yeah, like you know, like they teach you how to smoke shock.
You have to use 2 ways.
So I guess I'll do that.
But it did any effect at all?
Yeah, like I was buzzed, fairly buzzed for like 3-4 seconds. You know, like when you smoke
Like a
cigarette for the
cigarette.
first time ever. Как пол, блядь, девочка.
You sell the
Пол девочка.
Okay, got it. So it's not much different from a cigarette.
No, it's
Stronger,
It's
but
more
not
powerful.
much different. Repeat what you just said.
У меня проблемы не с тобой, а с головой.
This is the new location we're visiting today. This is called a beer house in Vietnam.
Как beer, ёбаный народ.
Draft beer everywhere. There's no people here either. Alright, let's go. This is the Gemini Beer 1. Two.
Hello, this is Akim and Greg. Our second round of beer.
Second pint.
Ankaremis.
After 2 beers, on our 3rd beer now. Oof. Four.
Akim and Greg kind of forgot the round 4.
4th round.
Taylor had a shot of vodka. Final round.
That's Akim, that's me, and this is us. After
3,000 milliliters of beer.
3,000 liters, 5 mini pints.
But super quiet.
Super quiet.
Quiet so.
Alcohol, what is that even? Simultaneously, all say hello, goodbye to them, okay? Cheers.
1, 2, 3. Hello.
Thank you very much.
Oh, блядь,
Goodbye.
Bye.
Wow. Are you tempted there?
To be honest, yeah, but I'm gonna go find another adventure for myself.
How about you get a... like a...
One last pack?
Jack, no, what the fuck, no. So let's try something unique.
Yeah, I love this. Saigon, вот, например.
I was loving that Saigon, чувак, охуеть. Чувак, it's one of the best beers in
You
Vietnam.
love it? That's the true story.
I don't know how we haven't had Saigon yet.
Well, let's buy it immediately.
Check out this Louis London shop. Wait, but actually here it says Louis Vuitton. But it doesn't seem like a serious shop. Look at the way they...
Dior. Christian.
Look at the way they store their caps. It doesn't look serious shop.
Yeah, seriously. Let's go in. Let's buy some fucking crap.
Hakim says let's buy some... Ah, they closed there.
Hakim and Greg.
Six beer.
6 to 7, honestly.
6 or 7 beer, one of us. One of them, I don't remember.
Two?
Cheers. We're at the casino now. We were allowed to film here specifically, but not over there where the games are.